How you feel?
Cold.
Cool.
Cold.
I video.
Okay.
What you got?
I don't know. Just rock.
Just rock.
I like this rock. Look, trash.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah. Smoke.
Trash. But it's paper.
Yep.
This is plastic. This don't go away.
Yeah. No. Still here. Here. You put there. Covered by the sand. Okay. Do it now. You're on record. Okay. Say hi. Send to you back.
Hey.
Okay. Hi. How you feel?
I feel good.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Yeah?
Relax. Yes.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Good.
It's a good day.
Yeah.
Plastic.
Yeah.
It will go into the ocean.
That's the. I think the whale meat.
Stink.
Yep. Go away. Don't touch it. It's dirty.
It's all plastic.
Plastic, but whale meat in there. They try to. No. Don't.
It's plastic.
No, but some meat in there. Yeah, don't touch it. Yep. Don't touch it. It's dirty.
But plastic will go in ocean.
You see,
Aww. That's so sad.
yeah. Oh, see. Clean your hand.
I will.
Yeah. Oh, you dirty. Yee.
Seagull, eat.
Yeah. Oh, smell on your hand.
It's okay.
It's still a lot.
It's okay. Somebody else will do.
Yeah. Where you bring? Beach cleaner. Mau đây biết không? Mau.
Okay.
Okay.
Want to write?
Put on your ear.
Oh no, I can't.
Baleen.
Why did they just leave here?
They throw away.
Why?
They don't need that no more. They cut some what they need. This one they don't want. They don't need it.
You're supposed to use all.
Where are you right now?
Put it back in ocean.
Back to the ocean?
Back in ocean.
Okay.
Where it came from.
Yeah. Don't fail. Don't fail. Come back.
It's okay.
You will get dirty.
It's okay.
หนาวเนี่ยต้องไปเยือนอยู่ทะเลน้ำเนี่ย It's very cold. I said it's very cold. You stand on the ice water. The ocean is cool, real cool. Oh, come back. No. That go too far. I cannot help you.
Okay, you don't need to help me.
You
I help myself.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
let's go.
Okay.
Bone.
Oh, is that bone? Not bone. That's a
Is
wood.
wood?
Yeah, that's
It
wood.
is wood. From where?
From anywhere. We don't know. It's far away.
Go back to far away.
Huh?
What's this?
That's your.
Ah!
Why
I
you?
don't like.
Why you throw here? That's your. อันเมาแล้วพี่น้องอันเมามานะมาก็เล่นเมา
No. I don't like human.
ฮะ
Oh my God, there's two more.
Yeah. You cannot clean the whole beach.
Yes, I can.
You cannot do that.
I can.
Yeah.
Yes, I can.
You sure? You spend your whole week. And me home man.
Why are they not clean? Look
Yeah.
at how beautiful.
Yeah, but they cut it what they need.
No.
เนี่ยเป็นเบลลี่เป็นเหงือกป่าระหว่างที่มันใส่ตับป่าเข้าปากเนี่ย
Why they only use what they need? They're supposed to use all of it.
No,
Why you?
they use it for they need that this look it's not nice when they yeah
It's not. You use all of it.
no. Yeah. You want to take home?
You don't have no room.
Yeah.
Look, come
But
here.
yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
You see the markings? Beautiful being. You can feel.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This one's stronger than that one.
Oh yeah. Maybe eat it up.
This one big, this
Big,
one big male. This one,
It's small.
she older. She girl,
Uh-huh.
but she older.
Uh-huh.
Very old.
Uh-huh. The same that size.
She older. See spots? She older. She have more covering.
Okay.
Here, only this part. Light spots.
Yeah.
Big spots.
Yeah. That they use for like for feed the fish, feed the food. Use this one. Yeah.
Oh my God, I love it. Would you want to live in the ocean?
Huh?
Would you want to live in the ocean?
Yeah.
You would live in the ocean?
Yeah.
With all the plastic
Yep. Right.
and oil
Yeah.
and everything humans put into it?
Yep.
Or sewage?
Mhm.
You'd still live?
Mhm.
Good. Because I wouldn't.
Yeah. No.
I wouldn't live there.
Yeah.
I would not want to live in that.
Yeah.
Because
No, just
we put so much in there. And we think there's so much
you know
space.
just over here, but some part is very nice, right? Like California, San Diego, whatever, Hawaii is very nice.
Every beach I've been to, disgusting.
Yeah.
Hawaii, very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Yeah. What you found?
Huh?
What you found?
New rock.
Yeah.
They all have energy.
Yeah.
Every rock has energy.
Yeah.
Feel?
What is the black?
Energy.
Your energy, but your eyes seem like it's almost closed.
It don't matter what's in eyes.
Ah.
It's energy. We all have our own energy.
Yep.
This has its own energy. All these rocks have their own energy. The ocean has its own energy.
Right.
Everything. You have your own energy.
I am. I have that.
Phone has its own energy.
If
The
no have,
phone,
if no have
phone,
energy, no.
Us, beautiful.
Okay.
Us humans living here, beautiful.
Okay. Feel more.
Look,
Oh,
look,
yep,
it's
yeah.
beautiful. What? We get to experience.
Yeah.
We get to experience this as humans. We must appreciate, be grateful for. This is, most people never get to see this in their lifetime.
Ah.
I've lived many, and
Yeah.
this is just beautiful.
Yeah. It's always beautiful.
It's a beautiful.
Natural is always beautiful. Yeah.
But humans are so consumed in making money,
Yeah.
working.
Destroy.
They don't see.
Human destroy
Every day.
everything.
Even while you work, beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay? Everything. You interact with new people, beautiful.
Mhm.
You make the best experience you can. You love them,
Mhm.
no matter what. You make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody gets that way. Okay? Everybody makes mistakes.
Okay.
But we all, I just love everybody.
Alright. Okay.
Because you can't love the earth without loving humans. And humans, we are the biggest mistakers.
Right.
We make the most mistakes.
Mhm.
And, oh God, I just love.
เมานะเมาละพลัม It's cold. It's
It's only
cold.
cold if you think and know it's cold.
Yeah.
I just want to go out there.
No, you cannot now.
Not now.
Not now. Yeah, this month they go to hunt the seal. If you have friends, you can ask them. Go with them.
To hunt seal?
They hunt the seal.
I don't like killing animals.
I don't like too, but
I can't kill animals.
yeah.
My father used to kill animals for fun. I can't
Yeah.
do.
Yeah.
I can't do it.
Okay.
It hurts. It hurts
Yeah.
too much.
See you again. Here.
Plastic! Wow! 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 Wow!
COVID.
Wow! It's gonna go behind the wood. Okay, come on.
Don't go too far. Come back. No, not okay. Come back. No.
It's okay.
Nope, not okay. Come back. That's not safe. It's unsafe. You know, the eye can be break down.
What?
The eye can be break down.
No.
Yep, trust me.
There's island right here.
Yeah, come back.
Okay,
Yep.
I listen.
Yeah, it's not safe.
I listen.
Yep.
My feet are freezing.
Yep.
So you can see people
Yeah.
without your physical body.
Okay.
So did you go to Lukatek?
I did.
You went to Lukatek?
I did.
Did you go on Blanket Toss?
I did.
You want Tom blanket toss?
No, I'm too big. I don't want it. It's a break.
Okay, listen. You, as human being, have soul.
Mm.
You have spirit.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah. Right.
And very bright, very bright.
Yeah.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
You can never let nobody dim you.
Uh-huh.
Okay?
Okay.
I can see bright.
Uh-huh.
I can see when people have, not so bright.
Uh-huh.
Okay?
Okay.
It's not about who you look like. It's
Uh-huh.
about what's inside.
What inside?
What's inside. What
Okay,
you
my
look
mind.
Like. You can know who people are.
Yeah.
Because
My soul.
and spirit.
Yeah.
They both soul, spirit.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Spirit helps you through your physical life. Soul is who you are. Soul stays like my soul so happy.
Yeah.
So happy.
You're happy.
And spirit,
Open your eye and open your mind.
spirit happy to help others.
Right.
Okay, soul so happy, spirit happy to help others.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
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 And sand, you feel earth. Earth is whole. Earth takes care of us.
Okay.
We breathe because of earth. We are alive because of earth. We
Okay.
physically breathe
Okay.
because of earth. This is here because of earth. This is here because of earth. I'm here because of earth. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It's always okay to cry. That is the way that humans release their emotions. If humans don't cry, they hold it in and it doesn't get released correctly.
Yep. You're still
You know,
more
angry
suffering.
people,
Yeah.
you know angry people?
I got.
Because they do not release their emotions correctly.
Yeah.
You need to release.
Okay.
Cry!
Yeah.
You need to. It is healthy for you. We are meant to cry.
But not easy for me. Climb.
It is easy.
Not easy.
Well, you go through so much pain?
I don't know, but I'm okay.
You go through pain, right?
No.
No? Then it's okay.
Yeah.
But if you go through pain,
Okay, don't touch it. It's dirty.